Hi and welcome to Häfele, live from the interzum here in Cologne. My name is Manuel and we are here in the area of the process accelerators. At this point I will show you how and in how many ways Häfele can support your processes. For example, in an optimal way of packaging up to new products which you can use perfectly for your RTA furnitures. One innovation we have got in the product group of connectors, Onefix Plus. This connector is a one-piece connector and it's based on the well-known mechanism of Onefix. You can use it not only in lightweight panels, you can use it in various materials for a different kind of production. Another innovation we have got on the sliding side, sliding F-Flush57. This sliding system is based on the well-known gliding technology and has got a clever and simple opening mechanism. So that means that also perfect fitting for your RTA furnitures. So for that, we can support you from the packaging to the production as well as the assembly for the end consumer. If you have any further questions, feel free to ask here at the interzum in Cologne or in our digital showroom. See you!